Hey you guys, it's Jasmine, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you want to know how to make these honey butter biscuits, which is 4 ingredients, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start off with some self-rising flour, and we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to mix that up, and you don't want to over mix it, just mix it until it's combined. Perfect. Now we're going to take some melted butter and some honey, and we're going to mix that together. And you want to use salted butter, but if you don't have salted butter, just add in a fourth teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to take a cast iron skillet that I already sprayed with some cooking oil and an ice cream scoop to drop our biscuits into. And we're going to take that honey butter and just lightly pat the biscuits with a little bit of honey butter. Now we're going to put this into our oven for 17 minutes. And now they are out. It's really quick and easy. Now we're just going to take our honey butter and go ahead and brush these onto our biscuits. And all the measurements will be in the description below as always. And here they are, guys. You can see they are the perfect texture. They are flaky, crumbly, drizzled and golden honey butter. They are so delicious and easy to make. You can make these in the morning in less than 20 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.